Hello everyone. So children are very math phobic these days. I remember when I was a child, I used to struggle a lot with mathematics. Why? Because of the misunderstood word. For example, if I ask a child to multiply 2 times 3, he does not know the vocab so much to comprehend what is 2 times 3. The multiplication is a misunderstood word. Similarly, there are a lot of misunderstood words in mathematics. Let's say if I tell you what is calculus. Now, not many people understand the word calculus. So, in entirety, the entire concept becomes misunderstood. So, children are learning English, they're learning difficult topics, difficult verbatims, names, but they're struggling with it. Also because maths is very perfect. In mathematics, every calculation has to be perfect. For example, 2 plus 2 has to equal 4. It cannot be anything else. It's perfect, right? So that is the reason children struggle. For example, if I say in English, people can, also have broken English. For example, Ram loves Sita. Okay? The child can also write Sita loves Ram. So the child can implement his or her creativity into the language and hence write it or speak it out. But in math, it has to be a simple method which has to be followed. 2 plus 2 has to equal 4. 4 plus 5 has to equal 9. It's perfect. So that is where one of the reasons as to why children these days are maths phobic. Another reason also because of the lack of teaching passionately by the maths teacher. They do it just for the income. They do not enjoy what they are doing. So it's just a regular monotonous day for them at the school. Trust me, teachers can impact the world. Teachers can change the world if they are taught properly. So lack of passion towards maths teaching also causes maths phobia. Because if you don't have an interest in a subject, how will you pass the enthusiasm out to the student? If the teachers are asked to do something extra, they would not do it because they're not getting paid for it. It's a sad state of affairs, not only in India but in other countries as well, where I have had the privilege to go and meet and interact with a lot of teachers. It's a problem. They beat children up for not doing homework, children are punished. So it creates a mental block. So maths becomes a huge big phobia for children, which we don't want. That is the reason why I founded the concept of Vedic mathematics and founded this organization called Vedic Maths Forum India. We want to make maths fun. We want to make maths interesting. And how do we do that? We do it via the Vedic maths method, which is the world's fastest mental math methods. It makes maths easier, it makes maths simpler, and a lot more cooler.